Hi guys, let's have a look at our stunning new arrival. It's a Ford Transit, short wheelbase, low roof, 340 custom. It's Euro 6 and 130 brake horsepower, stunning head turning example. We've enhanced the grille, we've got the Ford Raptor Grille with the orange, we've got the black stripes, the wheel trims, fully powered out inside, up over your tailgate. Let's have a look around. Usual spec and usual layout, lovely and clean inside the cab. It's got air conditioning, you've got the Bluetooth, you've got your DAB digital radio, you've got heated seats, electric pack, PLYLINED out in the rear, ready for work. If you like the van, please contact Nick or Chris. Finance is available on all of our vehicles. Thanks for watching.